In this video we have listed the top 5 best multifunctional oscillation tool on existing market. We made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things.
Are you new viewers? You should connect with us clicking by subscribe button, then press the bell icon for next updates.
Best of 5. Masterworks Multifunctional Oscillation Tool. 4.5 degrees of oscillation angle makes working more efficient. Compared with normal oscillating tool, 4-5 times efficient in cutting wood and 2-3 times efficient in cutting metal tubes. The locking level allows blades and other attachments to be changed quickly. 6-speed switches allows users to choose a more appropriate output speed. Universal fit system matches most brands of blades or other accessories. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. TACKLIFE 12 volts oscillating tool. One of TACKLIFE 12 volts cordless power tools family, 2000 mAh lithium battery and 1 hour fast charger. Quick change accessory system allows blades and attachments to be changed quickly without wrenches. 6 variable speed allows users to choose a more appropriate output speed. 100 to 240 volts wide voltage charger can withstand the instability of the voltage or sudden change. Bright LED light illuminates dark workspaces. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. Worx Oscillating Tool 70-piece. Worx 2.5A Oscillating Multi-Tool with clip and wrench, making blade changes quick and easy. Universal fit blade holding system works with all major brands of accessories. Unlimited project possibilities with cutting, sawing, scraping, sanding and more. 2.5 amp motor, 11,000 to 20,000 OPM, 3.2 degree oscillation angle. Works in wood, metal, plastic, ceramic, drywall and many other materials. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. VonHaus corded multi-purpose oscillating tool. E-cut blade for cutting metal, 1-piece scraper knife, 1-piece sanding base pad and 1-piece half-moon saw. 11,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute for fast scraping, cutting, sanding and grinding. The corded multi-purpose oscillating sander includes 9 sanding pads of varying gradients for a consistent finish. Size: 8.7 by 2.3 inches, corded tool with 70-inch power cord. Features dust extraction port and blow mold carry case for easy storage or transportation. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Rockwell 12-piece oscillating multi-tool. Duotic oscillation technology lets you select the optimum oscillation angle for power and precision. Variable speed dial for precision control from 10,000 to 19,000 oscillations per minute. Powerful 4.2 amp motor delivers constant speed and won't stall under heavy loads. Hyperlock tool-free blade change system provides 1 ton of clamping force. Universal fit system accepts all major brands of blades, sanders, and other accessories. Check the description for best price and details.